Aloha and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Matthew Chang with Hawaiian Airlines, and welcome to Pau Hana Friday here at the Hawaiian Airlines Premier Club Lounge. We bring together all of our most valuable guests, our Premier Club members, our Platinum members, and our Gold members. So we normally bring in a food partner, and today we have La Tour Cafe. And they've got some really delicious treats for all of you. I had a chance to sample some of the items earlier, and it's really, really ono. And the food is just beautiful and very well presented, so we hope you enjoy that. We also have red wine and white wine and Prosecco that we feature on our flights for you to enjoy. Our promo team members will come around and bring that to you, so stay tuned for that. And then lastly, we wanted to welcome our entertainers for this afternoon, and we have with us today two very talented local young artists with us. The first is Sean Robbins, right here, and Sean hails from the Big Island, or Hawaii Island, and he's a really young guy. He just turned 21 recently, so kudos to him for having such amazing talent. And he also brought with him Jeff Au Hoy, and he hails from Oahu, and he's also been performing a lot locally with a lot of different bands and artists. So with that, I urge you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy Pau Hana Friday. Mahalo. Thanks, Matthew.
Good fun classic Hawaiian song to the Hili. He ui no hei ke mai, he puaha he nui ka. No aloha he pua iwiri ai. He ui no hei ke mai, he puaha he nui ka. No oh, he pua ia koia, he mea apili kai. No ui mana, ui kaleika. Oh, he pua ia koia, he mea apili kai. Oh, ui mana, ui kaleika. Here we go, Jeff. Mai o he kule I ho kai no o ma e ha e nei ka mai no mai o e kule I ho kai no o ma e ha e nei ka Ai ka puana, ai ka e ui ka o ui aloha e pua I miri. Ai ka puana, ai na e ui ka o ui aloha e pua I miri. Hai nā mai ka puana, ai nā e ui ka o aloha, e pua I miri ai. E ui.